Ah,
I
hi.
did.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, fine. I'm doing great.
After a long time.
Yeah. After a long
So
time, I have sir has already given me one review. Now this is the second time. Thank you. Please
yes,
go on, sir.
it's a lifelong journey with you, Dean. I confidently can say that this is a lifetime journey for not only for me. Anyone who joins Dean's framework, they have to hook to the course the way it is articulated, the way it is designed. Because
Mhm.
I've been watching your. Unfortunately, today is working day for me,
Yeah.
but I want to say your things about this course so that everyone can benefit from it. So I think previously also I mentioned I have close to 14 years of market experience,
Mhm.
and I've blown up my account several times, as you mentioned in your classes. All of the things I've done, I've gone through all the technicals, and I have taken, in fact, a few psychological courses, but nobody bundled together actually. So
Mhm.
I'm getting into different bits and pieces information, psychology
Mhm.
somewhere, technical analysis somewhere, and some system somewhere. But the
Mhm.
way
Mhm.
you clubbed all these things with your experience,
Mhm.
and the way you showcased as a complete product,
Mhm.
that makes the whole difference, I believe. Because
Mhm.
I've gone
Mhm.
through your CTF course, and after that there was a refresher, a market profile refresher
Yeah.
course,
Yeah. Mhm.
and now this CTF refresher course. I
Mhm.
think this CTS refresher course is beautifully designed. Even I've
Mhm.
gone through the Jim Dalton's books also. I
Mhm.
believe this is in line with Jim Dalton's
Mhm.
market profile books. First he talks about the beginner, then
Mhm. Mhm.
slowly he approaches towards the expert. But it's really beautiful. But unfortunately, due to my professional commitments, I was not able to join online courses. I think initially 1 or 2 days I joined,
Mhm. Mhm.
but I've gone through the initial 7 or 8 videos, and now I think I've completed the level 2 courses also. I think
Ha
there are
ha
five
ha.
stages, right? You mentioned.
Yeah. 5, 6
So
stages there are.
stage
Yeah.
2 is completed, but
Okay.
it's every time when I go to your videos, something is there are a lot of wow moments. Like, I learned
Hmm. Hmm.
something new.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I missed it somehow because I've gone through your CTF videos and market profile videos and
Hmm.
market profile refresher. But again,
Hmm.
when I come to this CTF refresher, it's blowing. So it really now see the you usually say, right, what market is doing
Hmm.
and why market is doing. So
Hmm.
why question definitely everyone can get answer from this particular course.
Hmm.
Why market is doing so.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
think
Hmm.
no one else where nobody can explain with the clarity that you did.
Ah,
So
thank you.
again,
Thank you.
again, I'm telling everyone, if you want to learn how to trade markets, CTF is the best place.
Hmm.
Just join the course. But one thing, you have to spend at least 1 year, minimum 1 year, to grasp
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
concept of it.
Absolutely.
Because I've been doing this for almost for 3 years. Now
Hmm.
I feel like, okay, I came to some understanding of the real CTF process.
Hmm.
Thanks,
Hmm.
Jane. Thank you so much. Keep doing this good work. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for lovely review. Thanks a lot. All right, Murli sir, there already shared his views last time. This time also, what I'm hearing from you also is giving me some insights about my own course. So it is very nice to see how different people are perceiving different aspects of the course, and they are looking at they are finding value in different things, right? So many people say that your courses are too big, but what will appeal to whom, you cannot guarantee that. So one particular thing will appeal to a person, another thing will appeal to a different person. As long as it is solving one or the other problem for you and helping you go forward in your trading, I am happy with that. All right, so thanks a lot, sir. Who's going next?